Caregivers' lack of privacy, how you deal with it. Sometimes, privacy can feel so out of reach when you are a caregiver. However, this goal is important for your own mental and physical health. Lack of privacy may lead to stress, and stress may soon turn into depression. If you feel like privacy is an almost impossible thing for you, here are some tips to help you deal with it. Find physical privacy. Being a caregiver may make it seem like you no longer have your own private space. Good thing there are a few solutions to reclaim your physical privacy. 1. Create your individual space. The first and most important step you can take is to have individual space for yourself. Basically, this should be a place where you feel most comfortable. The key component is to create a spot where you can relax and feel comfortable. It can be your bedroom or another room. If you have your personal space like this, you won't feel as if you are no longer getting the me time you need. While achieving it may take some careful planning, especially if the house is smaller, this is still very much possible. 2. Set rules. Establishing expectations and rules can also help caregivers manage privacy. For instance, employers must know to respect the caregiver's time to rest and avoid creating any unnecessary disturbances. The rules you set will depend mainly on your needs and the situation. However, don't forget that some rules might not be effective or may not apply, especially for patients with dementia or other cognitive impairments. 3. Use locks. There are also instances when you might need to use locks or other similar restrictions, particularly for patients with cognitive limitations. It is a technique that stops patients from wandering into bathrooms. But if you really need or want to be without interruption, the best approach is usually to get out of the house. Find emotional privacy. While it is critical to have physical privacy, you might also find that you will need some emotional separation too. Since caregiving is a round-the-clock responsibility, some people might not be able to cope with it emotionally. Here are some tips to find emotional privacy as a caregiver. 1. Avoid canceling vacations or events. When you are a caregiver, it can be very tempting to just cancel different vacations and events. While there are instances when it is necessary to do so, it is recommended to do them anyway whenever possible. In cases like this, you might want to look for someone to care for your patient when attending an event, or better yet, bring them along with you if possible. 2. Get other people involved. You are a caregiver, but it doesn't mean that you are the only one who can do your job by yourself. You can also get other people involved to get a break for a short time. As long as you ask for help properly, you can expect to receive some support. Just because you are a caregiver doesn't mean you can no longer have privacy. You don't have to stop living your own life just because you are caregiving. This video is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment, and does not constitute medical or other professional advice. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health providers with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more of these videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are committed to connecting you, caregivers, with employers all over Israel. We offer the easiest way for caregivers to look for jobs. Visit our website and sign up for free.